let's look at what I'm doing. I'm doing this. Oh Lord my God, I'm doing the 6. The La, Do on the left, Mi and Do, okay? Then So, Re on the left, So, La, Re on the right hand, okay? So first one. Then I'm playing the Do and Mi on the left, So, Do, Mi on the right hand. Then I play this. Alright, so I'm playing the F and C on the left, F, G, and C. Alright, then I play this. Okay, you know, normally far we play like this. Alright, I'm playing like this. Okay, tritone, okay, these are tritone chords, okay, or tritone substitutions, okay. So instead of playing this, okay, play it, because that's what they play. Okay, so from here, okay, so I'm doing the G on the left, E and B flat on the right, then another tritone, A, E flat, and A again. Alright, so then you play. Alright, then I'm doing B flat and D. Then I play. Okay, I'm playing the La, Mi, La on the left, then La on the right hand side. But there's a movement, there's a kind of way it moves like this. Alright, so let's go one more time. La, Mi, So, Fa. Okay, La, Mi, So, Fa. Then your left hand will hit the G and D. Alright, so then you stop. Alright, then you play G. Right hand is doing the D and B flat. Mi on the left, So and Mi on the right, then diminish. I'm doing the B flat on the left, B flat, C sharp, and G. Alright, then overchord. The C on the left, the A, C, and F. Then play La, Ti, Do, Mi, Re. Then you hit this chord. Then you play again. Alright, so let's go. So let's see what we have learned, okay? So that is that part. Then there's a part, it goes like this. Alright. So I'm doing this F, C. Right hand is doing the F, G, and C. So then this chord, I'm doing the B flat, C sharp, F and G. Right hand is doing the F and C. So first one. Alright. Then they did this move at. Alright. So that is Tito. Okay. This one, you will not go like this, but I will play like this. Alright. We already know this chords. Alright, C La over this chord. what's up guys, see you in another video. Subscribe if you haven't.